History of football. Hello everyone, my name is Nandito Ahmad Givari, name 18101027 from the Trilogy University majoring in management, and I will explain history of football. The history of football sport or ball kicking game dates back to the 2 and 3 countries in China. During the Han Dynasty, people dribbled leather balls by kicking them into small net. In Italy, kicking and crying ball games were also popular, especially starting in the 16th century. Modern football began to develop in England by establishing basic rules and becoming highly popular with many. In some competitions, the game caused much violence during the game, and eventually King Edward III banned the sport from being played in 1365. King James I of Scotland also supported a ban on the use of cannabis. In 1815, a major development caused football to become famous in university and school environment. The birth of modern football took place at the Freemason Tavern in 1863 when 11 schools and clubs gathered and formulated the standard rules for the game. In 1869, hand carrying was banned in football during in the 1800. The 1800, the sport was bought by sailors, traders, and British soldiers to various parts of the world. In 1904, the highest association of world football, or FIFA, was formed, and in the early 1900, various competitions were played in various countries. The sport was always popular, especially from the 16th century. After knowing the understand of football and its history, others knowledge about football that must be known in the basic technique of the game. Football has some basic technique that must be controlled by each player. Basic technique of playing football, namely dribble, passing, control, and shooting. The next discussion is the basic rules of football. Game length. The normal duration of a football game is 2 times 45 minutes with a break time between the two rounds for 10 minutes. If the normal time turns out that the score is still tied, the match will continue to the extra time round for 2 times 15 minutes. If the extra time score does not change, the match will proceed to the penalty shootout to determine the winner. The team that scored the most win, and goals are scored from all limbs except hand. A yellow card is a warning given by the referee to avoid a second foul. If a player gets 2 yellow cards, the referee gives a red card, and the player must leave the match. A red card is issued by the referee when a player deliberately hits, kicks suddenly until it spits on another player. The following are some of the benefits of playing football: improve fitness, lower heart rate, control the weight, maintain muscle strength. Thank you.